strabismus. Strabismus means abnormal condition, sometimes called cross eye, in which the muscles of the eye prevent normal binocular vision. My friend's eyes suffers from strabismus. Strabismus. Go.
Yes, ang 20.
Second and 20.
Wow.
Run.
Wow. Ang smart. Smart. First fight lang.
Result of the spelling contest for grade 3. So the overall winner who got the points of 23 from Culasin North Elementary School in the person of Aliza Rolaine Makili. Coach Miss Anafe P. Toripiel. Wow. Second, from Buhi Elementary School, we got 20 points. The person, we have Kurt Allen R. Alaro. Coach Mrs. Aileen F. Mendoza. And the third, from St. Michael's Archangel Grade School, we have Friends Axel T. Desina. Coach, we have Miss May Kabanga. So we have top 3. So for the losers, don't lose your hope. You have still chance. You are still only grade 3. Bago yun sa next year. So wala na tayong plain chair.